Hi, I'm Lubona, and today I'm excited to showcase the top 5 spotlight properties in Centurion. I've been working in Centurion for over how many years now? I've lost count, but I'm a an expert when it comes to Centurion. So if you're looking for homes, I'm your girl. So these homes that I'm showing you today, they actually not just stand out for their beauty and design, but also for their cutting edge home automation, eco-friendly features, and overall cost effectiveness. You know, nowadays the economy is so bad, and what people are doing is they just spend once, you put your solar, then you cut off your electricity bill, and this is what I'm about to show you here in not any order. Number 5, smart living in Summerfields Estate in Kosmosdal. This home is so modern. It's a smart home designed for convenience and security, fully equipped with smart home technology, top-tier security, wireless beams, advanced alarm systems, security cameras, intercom, and a double layer of electric fence. The kitchen is designed for versatile cooking. You have both a gas and electric stove. The cupboards have a 3D texture feel that brings in that sleek modern feel to the home. The living areas are interconnected, multiple living areas. It also has a pajama lounge upstairs and a very huge master bedroom that comes with a drop TV. I haven't seen that in a while. So this is a home that you would want to live in. It's actually automated, and if you've got a young family, I'm sure they would actually enjoy living in this home. The estate comes with a lot of amenities. It has a tennis court. It has a clubhouse where you can go and have your brunch and just enjoy your summer days if you don't have a pool. But this particular home, it is coming with a pool, so this is something that you can look at. Number 4, modern luxury living in Midstream Heights. This house, obviously, I love it. It's newly built, offers the perfect blend of elegance, comfort, and functionality. Comes with 5 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, and 4 garages. What I love about this house is that all the bathrooms were uniquely designed to give you a different experience. If you go to the video and you see these bathrooms, believe me, I would actually buy this property just for the bathrooms. It comes with a gym, an office, and a separate entertainment area outside that has a boma and a pool. Also, the kitchen is spacious and beautifully designed. The entertainment area has a boma, swimming pool, and believe me, this is a property that you would love to purchase. Midstream. So let me talk a little bit about Midstream. Midstream is one of the top estates in the country when it comes to security. So are you a professional person? Are you a businessman that is never with your family? You can buy a property in Midstream and be rest assured that your family is safe. The children can go to school on bikes. You should go to Midstream and you'll just be amazed on how kids just go to school freely because the estate is actually very safe. It's got hospitals, shopping centers, sport clubs, and a lot more to offer. So when you have your family in Midstream, you don't actually have to worry because your children can do all their extramural activities just within the estate. Come and invest in Midstream. If you want to know more, give me a call. I'm your girl. Number 3, I'm taking you now to the countryside. So we go to Copperleaf Golf Estate. We have a property here, a stunning property, newly built, with a lot of potential, sitting on a massive plot of 1,200 square meters, and the property under roof, it's 860. Prime location, sitting on the green belt opposite a dam and the golf course. It's coming with 5 bedrooms, 4 garages, and this is a blank canvas. What do I mean? the owner actually built this property for them to live in. Then they realized it was too big for them because it's actually a very small family. So what they did is they just put cupboards and they never did anything. So you actually have the luxury to make this home to what you want it to be. If you want to watch it, the link is below. We go to number 2, Farmstyle Tranquility in Copperleaf. This is a one-level home that combines modern eco living with the country charm. It has a country feel and also the modern feel, positioned on the 10th hole with breathtaking Mahalis mountain views. It's located on the green belt for obviously ultimate peace and the privacy that you deserve. Designed by the renowned architect François Conradi, known for the Copperleaf's iconic clubhouse. I mean, he's one of the best in the country. So it's actually a 4-bedroom house and it's off-grid ready with 25 solar panels. The entertainment area I like. It has a bar and a pool there. I think that's an infinity pool there. Then it has a non-slip quartz flooring in the entertainment area. So if you've got little children, you don't have to worry about them sleeping and falling. And the fact that it's a one level, so this is actually perfect for a young family. I love this property. If you are interested in it, you know who to call. We go to number 1. This property is eco-friendly. It's you when you buy this property, trust me, you spend a lot, yes, on buying, but you actually cut a lot of costs for life. It's a 5-bedroom home that has a lot of functionality and sustainable living. It's immaculately designed with Euro-trained cupboards throughout the house, and it is off-grid ready. With 0 water bill, it has a 70-meter borehole and 10,000 liters of Jojo tank water storage. It's solar powered, obviously with a 6 kV inverter and 20 batteries, 20 solar panels, evacuated tube solar geyser system. This is something that you'd want to live in. I mean, you won't be paying for huge water bills. You won't be paying for huge electricity bills. Now we're going into winter, but you'll be rest assured with 20 solar panels, you'll still have electricity from your solar. It's coming with a built-in dining table that adds to the custom design. Obviously, the entertainment area includes a bar and a sauna, perfect for relaxing, hosting, and whatever that you would want to do in that property. It has a huge pool as well for all those laps that you're looking for. If you've got kids that are doing swimming, the swimming pool is actually good for them because they can still practice their swimming at home. And location as well is perfect for this property. Is primarily located in the estate. It's opposite a dam as well on the green belt. It also gives you the beautiful views of the Mahalis mountains. Now, each of these homes is actually a masterpiece in its own right. Whether you are looking for a smart technology, green living, or luxurious space, Centurion has something truly special to offer you. If you like what you saw, click on the links below. Remember to like and share. Give me a thumbs up. Be kind. Leave comments. Bye-bye until next week. Is that fine?